Changing out the spark plugs and coils for a 2014 Toyota Camry. Got new Denso coils, iridium spark plugs, anti-seize, and dielectric grease. For this job, you just need some basic hand tools. Have an extender, medium-sized ratchet, spark plug socket, 10mm, and then a gap coin. First thing to do is just remove the negative terminal on this battery. So using my 10mm, just going to take this guy off. Next, just need to remove this plastic cover, so it pops off up here, and then on each side should just pop off like this. And there we go. And now you can see the 4 coils and spark plugs that we'll remove. Now using a 10mm for the retainer bolts. Once those are removed, you can unplug the coils. Now we should be able to just pull it out. Pretty easy to get out. Using a flathead can make it a little easier to pop these off. And there we go, all unplugged. Now using an extension in the spark plug socket, we can get in here and undo the spark plug. And there we go. So you can see here's the old spark plug. It has about 130,000 miles on it. Now just got to do this to every single one. Now that I have all the old spark plugs and coils out, now it's just time to put the new ones in and plug everything back together. And here's a side-by-side of the old plug versus the new one. Now using this spark plug gap tool that I got from AutoZone, just gonna make sure that these are gapped at the 0.4 that they should be at. There we go. Next, gonna use some anti-seize lubricant on the threads here, just a little dab of that, just to make sure that this does not seize up. Now going to put the spark plug into the socket, should secure in there, not move, and then we're going to hand tighten it first before we crank it down. Now I'm going to use the ratchet to torque each one down. Next, using this dielectric grease, just going to put this on the end of the boot. There we go. And then we'll just slide in the new coil and then tighten it down. So I'll put each one of these in. And now I'm going to put in the retainer bolts. And the last thing to do is just plug each one of the coils back in. And then we'll just pop this cover back on and should be all good to go. Now all I gotta do is just reconnect the battery and start the car. Started the car and it's running a lot better, so really hope this video is helpful if you're changing your spark plugs. Thanks for watching, guys.